Welcome to my YouTube channel Statisticians Club. I hope everyone is fine. Please subscribe the channel. Also press bell icon to receive latest videos. In this video I explain methods used for selection of simple random sample. Simple random sample can be selected by the following methods: goldfish bowl procedure, using random number table, using a computer. Goldfish bowl procedure. First step, allot each unit in population a different serial number from 1 to n and keep record of each number on a card. In first step, you assign different numbers according to your population. If your population consists of 100 units, then you allot your numbers from 1 to 100 and keep record of each number on a card. At second step, place the number card in a bowl and mix them thoroughly. At next step, draw out blindly a numbered card one by one for the selection of sample, and after each draw, mix the remaining units thoroughly. Population units corresponding to numbers appearing on the selected cards included in the sample and obtain desired information. So follow this procedure, you can obtain your required sample and you got your required information from this sample. Advantages. The method of random sample selection is good for small sample. This method is good for small sample because in goldfish bowl procedure method you assign your numbers. So if your population is small, and you can easily assign number cards to your population unit. So it is easy for small population. Disadvantages. The random selection from goldfish bowl procedure is impossible while population size is quite large, because when your population is large or infinite, and in goldfish bowl procedure your first step is to assign number, so it takes some time when population is large. So it is difficult to do goldfish bowl procedure in case of large population. Random number table. In random number table, first step is assign a number from 1 to n to each capital N unit in the population. Consult a table of random numbers and select randomly from a starting point. Read digits in the group of 2, 3 and more according to the largest number assigned to a unit in the population from table vertically, horizontally, diagonally, and at the end record the number and discard a number that is greater than capital N. For example, if your population consists of 100 units, so from 1 to 100 your most number of units are 2 digit or 1 digit. So in this case you can use 2 digit random number table, and when you read your random numbers, the number which is greater than your population means 101, 109. So you can discard your number greater than capital N and continue the process and until you can obtain your desired sample. Using a computer. Computer programs are available that provide random numbers. Sampling unit corresponding to random numbers are included in the sample. So you can generate your sample by using computer. If you want to see videos on MCQs about sampling distribution, target and existent population, advantages of sampling, then click the link in front of your screen. Thanks for watching.